My experience in running graduate programs extends to about 14 or 15 years working for mid-sized to large multinational organisations both in Australia and abroad. Companies like BP Australia, BHP Billiton and overseas for international consultancy. I love graduate recruitment and development. It's an area I initially fell into, but really love the diversity of it. I love that it extends across the whole length of a project and incorporates elements like marketing and promotion, selection, design and development, and also some of the more training based areas. The best career advice I've ever been given was my first ever manager, I think maybe my first job ever, where my manager pulled me aside and said, "Rohan, let me tell you something, that what pleases my boss fascinates me." I thought that was quite funny. I've followed it ever since. The three most important traits when recruiting a graduate, first of all, to be really open and honest is a really critical factor, and along with that goes someone that's quite sort of polite and socially quite intelligent. The next one, someone that can really talk about their skills and experience in a way that's compelling. I think it's a really important skill to have, is not just to have skills and experience that are relevant to an employer, but how you can articulate them in a real meaningful way. And the third part is just to be really aware of your development areas, be aware of the gaps that you've got and be open in talking about them. Everyone's got quite good strengths and wants to project themselves quite well, but a keenness and a real interest to further develop your individual self, I think is a really great trait.